So with that, I'll get straight on with the talk. So it's already been introduced, so I'll just carry on. This is an overview of the talk. So I'll have a brief introduction to the ideas. I'll then show a CATIA model of the quadrupole that's used through the rest of the process. That will then be used to create an electromagnetic CST Studio Suite model, which will be used to produce the physics results. And then all of those features will be wrapped using Process Composer in order to run an optimization over parameters of the CATIA model using output from the CST Studio Suite model. And finally, the sort of chosen model at the end of that will be reloaded into CST Studio Suite for some more advanced analysis. And then I'll have a very brief conclusion.